Power. Many of us visualize authoritativeness when we hear or pronounce this word. The past has witnessed humans responding with cries, flooding the earth with blood, whenever countries have compelled the reluctant ones to follow their path. This compulsion is what we identify as hard power, which essentially means the exercise of military and economic might. In 1980, Joseph Nye stated something which was a bit different. He said that apart from hard power, there is a soft power too, which was used even before Nye talked about it, although such power was not recognized as a tool for achieving objectives. Countries were not deliberately using their soft power. Like Hitler declared that the race of the German people is superior to everyone, and so they shall rule the world, and for that they need to fight. Soft power essentially means that you pursue a person to follow your path by demonstrating before them that why your path is sacrosanct.
Tear down this wall.
And has its origin in that person's roots, and why it is beneficial for the latter to choose you. Like the US popularized this notion that only democracy can save this world, and that it is the leader of this free world to whom every country should owe allegiance.
We will defend our freedom. We will bring freedom to others, and we will prevail.
Soft power can also be the reason for hard power. Like Taiwan siding with the United States is inciting China to demonstrate its hard power. Therefore, communicating your culture, political values, and ways of success have taken over from your inclination for war. We use soft power in our daily lives to realize our demands, like when an 18-year-old boy persuades his parents why purchasing a bike will be beneficial for the family and eventually for him, or when an 18-year-old girl convinces her parents as to why purchasing a scooty, if not a bike, will make her life safer than ever. Here they are using soft power. Watch the Drain's first video of the Globe series, Can Soft Go Along with Power? 13 September, 6 pm, only on The Drain.